morning, my dear students. Welcome to another class on linguistics. So, in this class, I'm going to teach you about phonetics. So, what is phonetics? As we already discussed in a live class, phonetics means the scientific study of speech sounds. So, we discussed about linguistics. Linguistics means the scientific study of language. And phonetics is a branch of linguistics. It means the scientific study of speech sounds. So, in this particular branch, we are going to learn the different speech sounds in English language. First of all, we discussed that although there are 26 alphabets in English, there are 44 sounds in English language. So, 26 alphabets and 44 sounds. That means that the alphabet is a little bit overworked in English. What does that mean? That means that English is an unphonetic language. Malayalam, our mother tongue, is a phonetic language. Whatever is represented in spelling, there is a corresponding sound in pronunciation. But that is not the case with English. As far as English is concerned, it is totally unphonetic. The spelling and pronunciation have no necessary correlation. That is a problem about English language. That is where phonetics has greater scope in the life of in the student life of an English language and literature student. So let's go on to discuss the various sounds in English language, speech sounds in English language. So we told that there are 44 sounds in English. We can classify these 44 sounds into three different categories. There are 12 vowels, 8 diphthongs, and 24 consonants in English language. 12 vowels, 8 diphthongs, and 24 consonants. So these vowels and diphthongs, they are actually, they can be commonly be termed as vowels. Although even within that itself, there is this division. 12 vowels are 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs are combinations of vowels. So in this particular video, let's start with learning the 12 vowel sounds in English language. So the first vowel sound I am going to teach you is E. So whenever I am pronouncing the vowels, just notice my lips, how they are moving, and try to imitate it. You can feel free to pause and imitate it. So the first vowel sound is represented as this and is pronounced as E. Let's see some words in which this particular sound figures. King, pin, in, etc. So, king, pin, in, etc. So, the first vowel sound is E. Let's move on to the second vowel sound. The second vowel sound is E. The second vowel sound is E. First vowel sound is E. Second vowel sound is E. Let's look at some words in which these figure. C, C, P, seen, etc. So these are some of the words in which the second vowel sound appear. E. Let's move on to the third vowel sound now. The third vowel sound is, this one is called A. This one is pronounced as A. A. A as in egg, elephant, pen, etc. So, egg, elephant, pen, etc. So, E, E, A. Let's discuss the fourth vowel sound now. So, the fourth vowel sound is, Look at how I am writing it. It's written like this. Okay. So this particular sound is A. A as in apple, bag, candle, etc. So the fourth vowel sound is pronounced as A. Look at my lips. It's A. A. Apple, bag, can, candle, candy, etc. So the fourth vowel sound is A. Let's discuss the fifth vowel sounds now. The fifth vowel sound is Ah. The fifth vowel sound is Ah. Okay. So in words like art, father, bark, etc. So the fifth vowel sound is Ah. Father, bark, art, etc. Let's now look at the first five vowel sounds. The first five vowel sounds are E, A, A, E, E, A. So you have to pause and repeat after me. Let's just practice it 10-15 times till you get the hang of it. E, E, A, A. E, E, A. So feel free to pause or rewind and repeat it as many times as possible until you get the complete hang of it. Now that you have learned the first five vowel sounds, let's discuss the next four vowel sounds. So the sixth vowel sound is, this is called O. This is represented as this symbol and it is pronounced O. Look at my lips. O. O. Let's look at some words in which it figures. Hot, pot, etc. O. Let's discuss the next vowel sound. This one is O. O. Short. There's something very interesting about English. In the word long, we use short O. And in the word short, we use long O. Okay, so it's long, short, long, short, O, 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 O. Let's move on to the next two vowel sounds. The eighth vowel sound is, this one is called oo. This is oo. Oo. It comes in words like foot, wolf, full, etc. Foot, wolf, full, wool, etc. Let's look at the ninth vowel sound. Oo. Oo. Oo comes in words like food, fool, etc. So, eighth and ninth vowel sounds are oo, 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 oo. Let's pronounce these four vowel sounds together now. O, O, U, U, O, O, U, U. These four vowel sounds are also called rounded vowels because if you have noticed my lips during the articulation of these vowels, my lips look a little bit rounded like this. Not just a little bit rounded, they are rounded. Like O, O, U, U, O, O, U, U, O, O, U, U. So these are the next four vowel sounds. So we have covered 9 vowel sounds now. Let's now discuss the last 3 vowel sounds in English. So the 10th vowel sound is, this one is pronounced as A. This one is pronounced as A. Let's look at the examples. The words in this figure: but, hut, one, butter, etc. So this vowel sound is A. A. It's an abrupt sound. It starts and finishes easily, very quickly. So this sound is A. A. But, hut, one, butter, etc. Let's look at the next vowel sound. The 11th vowel sound is this one. This is called A. A. 10th one is A. 11th one is A. 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 Let's look at some examples. It comes in words like ago, above. Generally, words starting with the letter A. Words like ago, above, about, again, around, arise, arouse, around, etc. And some other words which ends in er or or. Words like father, mother, etc. So words like father, mother, brother, sister, doctor, daughter, teacher, examiner, officer, etc. So you might have noticed that in English, the consonant R is mostly silent, especially towards the end of a word. If R ever occurs in a word that is towards the end of the word, it is not pronounced. It is silent. R is also silent when it comes in the middle of a word. Like we already discussed some words related to that. So let's discuss the 12th vowel sound now. So the 12th vowel sound is, the last vowel sound is a. Words like girl, earth, earn, etc. So the last vowel sound is a. Let's discuss these 3. Let's pronounce these 3 vowel sounds once more. A, 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 a. So feel free to pause, rewind, and repeat these sounds as many times as possible until you get the full ring of it. So these are the 12 vowel sounds in English. So finally, let us pronounce and practice the 12 vowel sounds in English. I have written down the symbols in the whiteboard. Sorry, I have only a small whiteboard here. So that's why I have to go into all this trouble to adjust things a little bit. and also the glare from the light is hitting on the board. So if at all you encounter any problem, you can feel free, and I'll make another video using PowerPoint. So let's discuss these 12 vowel sounds, or pronounce and practice these 12 vowel sounds once again. So these are the first vowels, five vowel sounds are E, E, A, A, E, E, A, A. The next four vowel sounds are O, O, U, U, O, O, U, U. The next three vowel sounds are A, E, E, A, E, E. Now let us pronounce these 12 vowel sounds together. You might have to pronounce it 10 to 20 times to finally get the hang of it. Let's do it. E, E, A, O, O, U, U, A, E. Once again. E, E, A, O, U, U, A, E. Once more. E, E, A, O, U, U, A. So these are the 12 vowel sounds in English. You have to pronounce and practice as many times as possible until you can finally get the complete hang of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one on diphthongs. Thank you once again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye.